Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Brex for expense management strategy step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Brex website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Brex account. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Next, you will receive an email with a one-time password. Check your email inbox for the login email from Brex. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Copy the one-time password from the email. Return to the Brex login page. Paste the one-time password into the designated field. Now, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Brex dashboard. This is where you can manage your expenses and view financial insights. Explore the different sections of the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. If needed, refer to the Help Center for any specific queries or tips. Now you are ready to implement your expense management strategy using Brex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.